Liyema Pantsi Sat. We are really grateful for you guys to have had our request by asking you to come over here to Botswana as Botswana. We are so happy. I'm running out of words to really express how we felt by the time we said yes to me. We are really happy on behalf of the women. So we thought to have a dinner where we will all sing, and express our gratitude and tell you how we felt in the house, how we loved you, how we cried, all sorts of those things, all the things that we were. But now we don't have time because we are losing time. Actually, we are losing at 2 o'clock, but we just asked for an hour to go after in Durban so that we can just say a lot of the talk here. I would like at least one of you guys, I don't know, one of you, just to appreciate Liyema. Just to appreciate her and tell her how we love her, how we long to have you great here. And love to but can I have go outside because some of us are working, some of you are busy, and some are usually they are making together. Also having politics in October. But anyway, here you are with us today. Can I finish with you? Anyway, I think she was watching Brother throughout. But you don't say whatever happens. Just appreciate Liyema. How we love her as Botswana is. Say something because our last anytime we want to say something like that. Yeah. But as Botswana must say something. So the time is yours. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Good evening, everybody.
I'm Tassie.
Excuse me for my lateness. I apologize. But thank you, Madam Mzansi, for that. So my task is hard, but it's not that hard. We, as Ladies Botswana, would like to appreciate Liyema Pantsi for being the person who she is and what she believes she is. From the very first time she took a step into the Big Brother house, and we Ladies Botswana decided to be family. Because that time, the first time she stepped into the house, we decided to be family and part of the Pantsi family. So we'd like to say, Liyema, we appreciate you. We stood with you through thick and thin because the group would cry and I would tell them we are cats. We have 9 lives, and each and every time we die, we resurrect in the morning, and each and every time we wake up in the morning, we become stronger and stronger, and we pull through because of that. So we would cry with you, we would have a bad day with you, we would laugh, we would be happy, and the most things we enjoyed were the Big Brother parties with you. Yes. Because after that,
the comment section.
by the time we are rejuvenated, the group is rejuvenated to stick through with you and pray the whole night. So So,
Bruno, leave them.
as it is Botswana, we are saying we appreciate you. We are now family from now on and forever. We shall be released. Eastern Cape, we shall arrive. Thank you.
We don't have water, so when we get to South Africa, we get so excited by seeing. So we went to this sea, guys, and there's this place. Now I enjoy it. At night, I don't know how it was Friday night. They went to, I don't know whether it was a club or something. There's a VIP part, and we go, those other pictures. We had fun all the night. And I met most of Lily's family, the uncles, cousins, aunties. Hey, and they were so happy. And as Botswana, Lily's, we were taken behind as the others. There was Zimbabweans, I remember. But us, I believe you and Lassos were special guests. I really, really appreciate and applaud you guys for that. So I think something, and then Liyema was the last one to say, and then we can close. I'll say closing remarks after that. Thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much first for your hospitality. Guys. I don't want to lie. Since we got here, we were welcomed in a very good way. I am so grateful that my child is loved in so many African countries. And now you called her to come to Botswana to show her love as well. So it's our first time here. We are so grateful because at first we had to quickly do what is it called? A passport for the first time in life. Literally, we're serious because this is the first country that we've been led to outside South Africa. I for me. What? Come again?
It's the second. Oh, Lesotho.
Oh, okay. Okay. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for loving my child. I've been saying that Liyema is a very sweet child. She's lovable, and also I knew ever since she was young. There were signs that I saw when she was growing up. This child, she was a special child. There's a lot of grace that I'm seeing here. She's a child. She used to play with other kids, like always. I don't know to say. Well, she was not a child was never a good, but she was always outstanding. When she plays, you can tell that this child is going somewhere. There's something in her, and especially light. You can see that this is a child of light, a child of grace. And fortunately for her, she's coming from a family. We are prayerful, we are very prayerful in our home. So we supported her very much with prayers. Especially again as a parent because I've got two kids. It's her as the first one, and the brother is turning 18 this year. So I had to be a strong mom when it comes to prayer, investing so much in the Lord because see there's something here. She's going somewhere. And get what? I don't believe in anything else except for prayer, and I believe in God. So whatever I do, we put God first. And I tried by all means to instill that those values when she was at a very young age. There's nothing that she cannot do, especially she's so she's a versatile child, I can say. She's so versatile in everything that she does. You could tell Lomdana Lona is so explosive, and when she makes sure when she does something, she does it perfectly. You know what? I then saw something on her, and then I decided this child has got there are traits that because he believes to God. The beliefs made her to the way she is, because it's not only me that pushed her into believing in Christ and also to teach her how to pray, but she also made sure that I need to learn this thing. I need to make sure that I do know if I be there, if my don't I must get my time to pray fast. And also she was very good in these things. But I don't affirmations. Affirmations and Yes, affirmations, like manifestations, I kept praying. And also she would have the vision board. There's a vision board ever since she was a teenager. The vision board is still there in her room at home. When did you start? At the age of 13, 14. Everything in that vision board, if it can take you home now and see in her room. That vision board that she did at the age of 13. Most of the things that are in that vision board happened, and some are still happening. And there are those that still, I think that she has got a vision from done, and it's working for her. It's working for her. So I just want to tell you guys, Bobana, thank you so much for loving her. Keep on supporting her. And as you do, God will bless you and He will surely double. Your pockets shall never go dry. Amen. Double. Thank you so much. I just don't want to take much time.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you so much, Mommy, for the kind words. God, from the grace and another cousin. No, also for you and really success in life. She's going to make it big. One day she'll be performing abroad. Maybe she'll be staying there. So whatever you believe in really happens. Yes. So thank you so much. We really love you guys. And keep on praying for you. As Shusha has said, now we are a family. We're going to keep in touch and see how things are going that side. We're going to support her and buying her album and stuff like that. And when she has gigs, wherever, maybe in July, it's 4 hours drive, my God. Come to July, you support she has only 4 hours? Yeah. But when you're driving a Haval and Benz, it's 4 hours. Haval and Benz, it's 4 hours drive. Yeah, it's from here to July. We'll be coming there now. We'll support you.
Thank you so much.
This is the beginning of the great things. Yeah. Now our queen. Whoop,
Okay, I hope I don't get distracted by the noise. Are you guys listening to my speech? Thank you. Okay, hi guys. Hi everyone. You guys look so pretty. I'm Mama. Mom is like, I love attention.
My thing is I don't want to get too distracted because I'll forget what I'm going to say.
Yeah.
But anyways, you guys look amazing. How do I look?
Yay.
You know they did this dress in 4 days.
Is it?
Yes.
It's nice.
They really did.
Very nice.
Shout out to him.
Yeah, shout out to Imani Apparel.
Oh wow.
Anyways, I usually say I really don't have the words, like enough words to thank everyone. But I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna try my best.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try my best. Whew. Growing up, I always had dreams. You know, like really big dreams, like unbelievable dreams, and you know, I would have voices that whatever that I'm dreaming about is not possible for a girl from a small town. You know, but every time I would try to like challenge myself and like fight, you know, and try to prove to myself, not to only like not to people, but to myself as well, that I can actually do this and this and that. And I've always had this like big faith. I don't know if it's or it's because faith. But I think it's faith plus stubbornness.
That one is true.
It's faith plus stubbornness.
Yeah.
I'm very stubborn.
Yeah.
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, as a girl with big dreams in a really small town, I really didn't think this will be possible. I know, like, it's a small thing, but guys, I honestly didn't think I'd leave King William Star. I always thought I'm going to stay there forever.
Oh.
But I'm in Botswana. I'm traveling the world.
Yes.
Slowly but surely, African countries, I'm meeting the people that truly do believe in me and love me, and I'm so grateful. You guys really push me. You fuel my passion.
Yeah.
You know, you literally make me believe in God. You know, because I would pray every.
Oh. Don't.
I would pray to God. Okay. I'm not crying. I'm not crying, but I remember, like, I've always had this dream. Music is really my passion and something that I really love to do. Hence why, you know, I'd hustle, go to idols. I actually went to Big Brother because of music, guys. But thank God there were people that loved me for my personality. But all I wanted to say is I remember, like, trying this music thing and writing on my Twitter that I really wish and praying to God that God would bring me people that support my craft, like bring me people that, you know, want to support me and love me for me and love my music. And now that it's happening, I don't thank God enough for it. Do I? I do. I do. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for inviting me to your beautiful country. I feel the love, and I mean our way every day of how things are so crazy, and all this love is so overwhelming. I don't want to lie. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna come back here again for a week. Please.
Yes.
I want to see your river beach. But I really feel welcomed by you guys in Botswana. I just want to say God bless you and thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you for loving me. God bless each and every one of you here. Yeah, may God double everything, and may God turn everything that you touch into gold. I pray, amen.
Amen.
Oh, thank you so much, Liyema. You know, she's reminding me of my cousin too. I have relatives also in South Africa. You know, my cousin, when she travels from South Africa to Botswana, especially when she's using the Ramatabama board, she will be coming and then she will see, maybe she will see Neneke River. I can wait till there's one Neneke River along our villages as you come by. And then my cousin will be like, you guys, you'll be seeing river, and when you look around, there's no river. And you'll be and the billboard, there will be these pictures of a river. She'll be saying, Ghana now be stopping trying to look for a river, and there will be no river. But you Botswana guys, everywhere you go, there's a river, there's a river, there's a river, and there are no rivers. Ma, in our country we don't have water.
It's a desert.
But a beautiful desert. We go to Kasan. Yeah, I think the ladies will organize, and then we go to Kasan so that you go and see Kasan. We have this river that we have from Angola, Okavango River.
Namibia.
Namibia.
Namibia, Botswana, Zambia.
It's from Zambia.
It's connecting Namibia, Zambia. Zimbabwe is Rugala go on.
That one is not a man-made. So we are really thankful. I'm talking a lot and I'm talking alone. I'm going to pick someone to do closing remarks
And a prayer.
and a prayer. I mean, when I pray, I'll pray. Mind you, we go to church. I'm an Adventist. Do you know Adventist church? Yes, I'm an Seventh Day Adventist, my darling. I go there. You too.
Our family is
And there I am. Right now, they are in a camp meeting. Hey, they're coming to one Sunday. We have that annual. So, we'll see.
Siba.
Siba. I'm feeling that Busi. There's a cousin called Busi as well. And I've been there, so I know the guy. So Busi. Siba. I'm only speaking to Busi, that's why.
It's fine. Do you want yours?
Yes.
It's yours.
No, take it. It's yours. It's yours.
Siba will do everything.
And the food? As I was.
You want to hear you talk to us,
Yeah.
Siba?
Papa Lisa.
I'll do closing remarks for you. But it's a transceiver. Talk to Botswana. Thank you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. The way I'm so shy, don't be shy. I'm shy. Good evening, everyone. I just want to say thank you to all of you for welcoming us so warmly. We've had such an amazing time. Everyone is so kind. Always making sure, are you guys okay? Are you guys good? Do you need anything? It's been so touching. So thank you so much for that. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tomorrow you are going to be chilling somewhere.
You're telling about I'm the one eating.
I thought about this.
It's 50 holding the life video.
Tomorrow where are you going something? Ladies, we have to go and chill somewhere. 6 seconds.
She'll be performing something.
She's performing at 6.
Where? Where can? Ask them.
Social.
Socially, guys.
Well,
Let us all
we'll be
come
there.
so that we dance the night away.
Where are we going tonight?
Deja vu. We are going to Deja vu.
Are you coming?
I missed that.
Yeah,
Anyway, guys, let me thank you all of you for coming here and making this dinner a success. We are so thankful as long as we measure our beautiful King of England.
Yes.
And Egypt.
So we thank the Lord for giving us the best to have made it this far. That's it, guys. I love you so much. Let us stand and pray. Hey, I'm going to pray into
See what you make
I want to
people do.
say
Yes. We wanna see you, Fifi. Fifi, they wanna see you.
Hiding when you're so cute.
Imagine. She's hiding and she's wearing a dress.
Fifi.
Station head.
Station head, Fifi. Show yourself.
Guy.
show that video.